Welcome to the best Electron course with over 80 lessons and 8 plus hours of invaluable, useful content and resources that gets you up to speed with building cross-platform desktop applications using Electron framework and web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It doesn't matter which level you are, whether advanced or newbie, this course has all the resources you need to start building desktop applications that matters, and have even more resources to get you to an advanced Electron app developer stage. I am Mubarak Awal, and I've been a coding bootcamp instructor at the biggest code school in Ghana for the past 2 years, teaching people mobile and web development. I've been building apps for over 3 years now, and I've had in-person bootcamps with over 10,000 students from all backgrounds, and I'll be your instructor for this Electron course. This is a course that is hands-on and practical. We are going to build multiple desktop applications with Electron, ranging from text editors to music players, desktop newsreaders, among other amazing apps. We'll start from scratch and cover topics like desktop application menu, building tray application, adding notifications to your apps, and even show you how to use the documentation whenever you have any other feature you want to add to your Electron app that is not covered in this course. We are even going to dive deep into how you can package your Electron application for all the operating systems out there, being it Windows, macOS, or Linux. The amazing thing about this course is that I keep it up to date with the new topics added to Electron, and I'm always available to assist you whenever you have questions or issues with any code or topic in this course. I can't wait to have you as a student and share Electron with you. Click on enroll button now, and I'll see you inside the course.